Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given. Does Vanguard Cash Plus have a minimum balance requirement? The straightforward answer is no. According to Vanguard's official website and other financial resources, the Vanguard Cash Plus account has a $0 minimum balance requirement. This means you can open the account and maintain it without needing to keep a specific amount of money in it. However, it's important to note a distinction. While the Cash Plus account itself has no minimum balance, if you choose to invest your money within the account into Vanguard money market funds, those funds typically have their own minimum initial investment requirement, which is often around $3,000. So, in summary, you can open and use a Vanguard Cash Plus account with no minimum balance. But if you want to take advantage of the money market fund investment option, be prepared to meet that fund's specific investment minimum. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.